The following video is about the ethos and making of No Plan B, not just a clothing label, but a movement. Be the flow.
It's me, the Baker Man. Today we're heading to a production factory. We're gonna check out the production on the collab between myself and Patrick James. We're working on the No Plan B range to celebrate the Year of the Dragon.
This collaboration was almost inevitable. It was an organic materialization of an idea that myself as the Patrick James representative and then Warren as the Baked representative had together. And I think it epitomizes the friendship that we have, because we've always spoken about working together. We've always spoken about how it is we can bring our skills and bring our passions for creativity and artistry to the world. And you know, it just happened by happenstance, I guess. There was a discussion you and I were having, and you were like, I've got this idea. It's called No Plan B. This is what I'm thinking. What do you reckon? And I was like, well, at that point, you and I were talking so vehemently about doing a collaboration and making garments together and making some really cool stuff together that the timing of it was immaculate. It was on point, you know. So for me, it was, like I said, an inevitable reality that this was going to happen. But I think the essence of the No Plan B collaboration really speaks to the humans that Warren and I are. I think both very connected on a spiritual level. I think very connected on a friendship level through our journeys of me sitting on your tattoo chair. I think it's been 5 or 6 years now. We're nearly 45, 50 hours in of some real real good discussions, you know. And I think that was the start and the evolution of us unpacking, like I said, the friendship and the spiritual connection and just this deep-seated soulfulness that you and I share together, you know.
Okay, so we're at the factory now. I'm here with Dutch and Robin. We're gonna check out the construction on this jacket. I'm very excited. These people are fucking wizards, amazing craftsmen and craftswomen. So yeah, we're gonna check that out now. Follow us. Let's go check it out.
My name is Andrew from Common Thread Atelier. Today we're doing construction of a denim jacket for collaboration between Bake and Patrick James called No Plan B. So we're constructing the jacket for them, and then we will put it into production once they approve the sample.
We shot like process stuff, the overlock, doing the cutting and things like that. We've got some stills as well, and we're gonna head out now. If you could just ask him to send you like phone footage of the jacket, like laying out on the table, once the sample is put together, that would be cool for the YouTube.
I think the essence of No Plan B is actually just going with it and not following the trend, but actually creating your own trend or your own path or your own journey, so to speak. And I think this first collaboration is just the line in the sand.
On our way to do the No Plan B shoot right now. Model just rocked up. You can see it's nice and rainy, but we're happy about the overcast weather. It's going to be great lighting. So yeah, super excited for this shoot. Can't wait to see this campaign and show you guys. Check it out. So we're out here on set, on location. This is our wardrobe / storeroom over here. It's raining, but the shoot is going really great. The team is fucking amazing. So blessed to be working with him. Gunther, the model, is smashing it. He's a phenom. You better watch out for him. He's gonna take over. And yeah, pretty keen to get this content out.
In wrapping up the conversation and then wrapping up this amazing YouTube video, obviously just want to say thank you to everyone who's involved, the team, to all the craftsmen and women. I think they're oftentimes don't really receive the flowers they deserve. But to be honest, without those skills, without those people who are behind the machines and those real humans who are making our dreams become a reality, massive thank you to everyone. And this is the start of No Plan B, and No Plan B is the collaboration between Patrick James and Baked under the avant-garde label of No Plan B, and this is the first of many collections to come, and we do have quite a exciting collection 2 in the works, so stay tuned.